jackknife. Lay yourself down, ready for hundreds. Remember your own version? That's what we just did basically. Don't start changing it. Yeah? So raise your arms off the floor about a foot. Deep breath in. When you breathe out, bring yourself to a chest raise position, extend your legs away, do your 100, away you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll up, lower the legs, lower your arms. You're doing a roll up, so your arms over the floor, the wall behind you. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, bring yourself up. Lower yourself down and then go straight into the roll over. Open your legs, lower yourself down. Go up with your legs open. Bring them together, lower down, single leg circles. Lower yourself down, arms out to the side. Left leg in the corner, right leg in the air. Just going to do one leg. 3 one way, 3 the other. Lower the leg down, come to the edge of your mat, ready for rolling back like a ball. Make sure there's nothing on your mat. Feet together, knees together. You're just doing 2. On your last one, you're going to stay down there. Away you go. Single leg stretch is next. Stay down there. Left knee. Hold both hands on your left knee. Extend your right leg out. Away you go. Single leg stretch. This goes into double leg stretch in your own time. Convert that to double leg stretch. Your version, whatever version you want to do. That confused your brain, didn't it? Ready for spine stretch. Make that the last one. Bring yourself up to seated. Your legs open wide. Fingertips in between your thighs. We're just going to do 1. Then we're going to open leg rocker. Deep breath in. On the breath out, slide yourself forward, as far forward as you can. And for the last part of that breath, can you sink down for 3, for 2, for 1. Bring yourself to the edge of my open leg rocker. Extend one leg away, extend the other leg away. If you're going to roll back, then roll back, away you go, and come back up. We're just doing 1. Lovely. Lower yourself down, ready for corkscrew. Sorry, roll yourself down. Go always doing yourself there. Corkscrew, or whatever version you're doing of corkscrew. Next movement is saw. Lower the spine down, sit yourself up, open the legs nice and wide. Arms out to the side and rotate around. Just 1 to the right, 1 to the left. And the next move is going to be swan. Lower yourself down onto your front into your version of swan, what you want to do. So you can do release and catch, or you can do whatever version you want to do, where you go. Next movement, you're staying on the floor, on your front single leg kick, whichever version you want to do for single leg kick. Reach both legs away behind you, and then start kicking yourself in the bum. Alternate. Double leg kick, lay yourself right the way down, hands behind your back. We're just going to do 1, then we're into the neck pull. Deep breath in, bend the knees, bend the knees, bend the knees. Deep breath in, breathe out, kick the legs away, lift up, roll your shoulders back, lengthen the arms. Finish breathing out, lower down, roll over onto your back for neck pull. Just going to do 1. So you roll yourself up best you can, do that neck pull. Then you're going to roll yourself down, stay down, ready for the rollover for scissors, or whatever version of scissors you'd like to do. Keep the legs as straight as you can. You're reaching those legs away, reach those toes away, and convert those scissors into bicycle. Either do the transition or lower down into bridge, or spine curl, shoulder bridge, glute bridge, whatever you know it by, away you go. Give you the heads up. The next move is spine twist. Lower your leg down, lower your spine down, sit yourselves up, legs are together, arms out to the side. wait for it, and spine twist around, away you go. One to the right, one to the left, then it's lower yourself down to jackknife. You're just going to do one. Squeeze the bum, send the feet up to the ceiling. Once you've done one jackknife, lower that spine back down for side kick kneeling. Whichever version you want to do, on the forearm or on the elbow. And you're going to kick once to the front, bring it back, and then kick once to the back. Teaser. Sit yourself up, or whatever way you'd like to get into the teaser. Away you go with your version of teaser. Lower down, come back up. Super, ready for hip twists. One big circle to the right, one big circle to the left, and then lower yourself down onto your front for swimmers. Lay on your front, extend your arms away, extend your legs away. Reach everything away, there's no more. Away you go as you bring yourself up. And away you go, your swimmers. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower yourself down, leg pull front. So on all fours from a quad position. You're going to pulse the leg up. With one leg extend, one leg away, extended leg away. Away you go with your version. Just one with the left, right, one with the left. Roll yourself over onto your back, the leg pull back. Just one with the right, one with the left. Side kick kneeling. Whichever version of this you're going to do, there are different versions. Just one kick to the front, one to the back. In position for side bend. Whichever version again that you want to do. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, bring yourself up. Lower yourself down, roll over, ready for boomerang. So sit yourself up, cross one leg over the other one. And away you go. Roll over, make sure you've got plenty of space there, cross the legs over, bring it lower down into a teaser type position, hands behind the back, lift the hands as high as you can as your spine stretch, drop the ankles down, butterfly stroke, take it up, take it over, bring yourself to the edge of your mat, don't forget the seal noises, they were quite atrocious before, bring yourself to the edge of your mat, clap your feet twice, hey, bring yourself back, clap yourself twice, seal noises, bring yourself up, ready for crab for those that are going to do the crab. Please just Sabrina, where you go. Rocking. Well done. Lower yourself onto your front. Whichever version you want to do, hold your feet with each hand. And if you're actually going to do the rocking, at least one person, it'd be nice to try. Away you go, up and down, rock away. Lovely, roll yourself over onto your back and get yourself into a rollover position for controlled balance. Roll over, lower the legs down, swing your arms around and can you hold onto one foot with your hand if you can. Oh, easy to, and then lower that leg down, send the other one up. Lower the leg down, lower the spine, bring yourself into standing on the edge of your mat. 1.5 minutes to do this. And push up, roll yourself down. Walk the hands out, do one push up. Walk the hands back in. Stand up. And give yourself a